Once the uncinectomy has been completed, we can move on to complete the anterior ethmoidectomy and address the bulla ethmoidalis. The first thing to do is insert a double right angle ball probe into the natural ostium of the bulla, which is medial. Then pulling it forward, you can fracture the bulla anteriorly, as you can see here. We can now remove the fragments of that anterior wall of the bulla using a microdebrider. I'm using the type A blade, which is the more aggressive variety of the Olympus Diego Elite. And you can see here it really makes small work of removing these fairly large bony fragments. That's important. You can see the tip of your microdebrider blade at all times to avoid damaging the lamina papratia. So these large fragments you can see there, just going right up the microdebrider. It's important to make sure we remove all these fragments at the top part of the bulla and in these suprabullar cells. One last little area to remove, and then expose the whole of the ground lamella of the middle turbinate before we move on to penetrate the ground lamella and move on to the posterior ethmoidectomy if required.